Hi, I'm Rachel from 5 Minutes for Me with your bite-sized exercise for legs. Today, we're going to be doing a sequence of step exercises. Stepping out, stepping over, stepping back, heel toe to work your legs from a seated position. So let's get started. Today, we're going to start by sitting up straight and crossing over the right leg. So we're going to cross over, step center, step out, step center, step side, step center, step back on the toe, step center. Now the other side. Cross, center, front, center, side, center, back, center. Then we're going to go toe, heel, toe, heel. You got that? Let's give it a try. Cross, center, straight, center, side, center, back, center. Other side. Cross, center, front, center, side, center, back, center, toe, heel, toe, heel. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.